MIT, serving Panama and the world. For centuries, Panama has served seafaring vessels by facilitating travel across the globe. Renowned travelers expanded their vision of the world by using Panama as a crossroads to newly developed commercial routes. Panama's geographical location is still a key factor for shipping lines looking to diversify their offerings and manage ever-changing operational costs. In 1995, a group of visionaries led by SSA Marine and the Mota and Helbron families of Panama inaugurated Manzanillo International Terminal, a modern container terminal located in the Atlantic city of Colón. More than 10 years later, this business venture has become one of the leading container terminals of the region, serving over 20 shipping lines and moving over 1.3 million TEUs per year in its 520,000 square meters of container yard. In order to achieve this, MIT has invested over $400 million to handle everything from containers to heavy equipment to reefer containers and RoRo operations. Non-stop year-round operations and, most importantly, a highly trained and motivated workforce of over 700 employees are the key factors that have allowed MIT to garner numerous awards. MIT has also been honored by the Caribbean Shipping Association as the best container terminal in the Caribbean. MIT continues to invest in order to offer the best service possible. Presently, MIT has an inventory of 16 gantry cranes, 14 of them post-Panamax, and 6 berthing positions that include 1 Mediterranean-style berth dedicated and segregated for RoRo operations, with a gate for auto receipt and delivery in 7 hectares of fenced, lighted, and secured area for over 3,000 units. Additional services for the RoRo operation include over 4,000 square meters of warehouse facilities for storage and mechanical repairs, parts replacements, USDA and AQIS cleaning standards, equipment inventory management, and manpower to staff additional services. Panama's service-oriented economy led MIT to develop additional services for clients that require a transshipment point for their merchandise. The port's location next to the Colón Free Zone, the second largest free trade zone in the world, prompted the creation of a commercial park that will operate as a distribution center with merchandise consolidation and distribution in state-of-the-art cross-docking warehouses that will have direct access to the intermodal Trans-Isthmian Railroad that links MIT containers to the Pacific coast for transshipment. The logistics park will serve multinational companies by providing facilities for cargo sorting, grading, packing and repacking, labeling, storage, transit, and assembly. Other services available for its clientele are on-site office space, real-time remote monitoring for reefers, a 30,000 square meter container repair facility, and an off-dock empty container storage facility. These operations and services are integrated to the existing 5 inbound and 5 outbound lanes main gate with a pre-gate handling facility and a wireless network that covers the entire port area, allowing MIT's container inventory updates on a real-time basis. The main office building includes high-tech facilities for planning and executing the loading and unloading of all vessels, utilizing the latest versions of the Spinnaker system produced by Tideworks, which allows skilled personnel to design all stowage activity in the yard and on board the vessels even before they arrive. The system is EDI-enabled for constant communication with shipping line systems and allows for various administrative operations. Shipping lines and agencies have real-time secure access to container information in Mainsail using the Internet. With Tideworks website or through Mainsail Online, MIT's clients have complete information at their fingertips, including inquiries, reports, bookings, container releases, and customs and quarantine documents. Day-to-day operations at MIT include the handling of hazardous materials. If the need arises, an in-house industrial safety department has a highly trained emergency response team on call 24 hours a day to manage hazardous incidents and emergencies. Since the beginning, security has been a top priority at MIT. K-9 units, security officers, employees, and high-tech surveillance systems all contribute in keeping MIT a very safe port facility. MIT complies with both the newly implemented ISPS security measures set forth by the International Maritime Organization and the supercarrier initiative standards established by the U.S. Customs Service. Expansions in the near future will total 26 gantry cranes and 9 berthing points, allowing MIT to handle 4 million TEUs per year. Also, MIT will expand RoRo operations in order to meet increasing demands. The success of MIT would not be possible without the support of the people of Cologne. That's why MIT believes in giving back to the community by investing in infrastructure, its children, and various social and cultural projects in the area. By donating time and resources to the development of the Cologne community, MIT secures itself a well-trained and motivated future workforce, the same workforce that will ensure that MIT remains one of the best container transshipment hubs in Latin America.